Hello student, today we are going to learn what is the total kinetic energy when the object is rolling. Okay, when the object is rolling, so it's going to be get angular velocity and also linear velocity. So the total kinetic energy of the object, it's going to be kinetic energy of the translation motion plus kinetic energy of the rotation motion when the object is moving in a circular path, and also cycle wheel is an example when the object is rolling, so rotating and also moving. Okay, translation motion plus rotation motion. Already we know kinetic energy in a translation motion, which one is a very easy of mv square kinetic energy. Okay, the kinetic energy in rotation motion, the same thing. In mass, in rotation motion we will take it as a inertia, velocity we are going to take it as a omega. Okay, angular velocity, angular mass. So the total kinetic energy is going to be kinetic energy in translation motion plus kinetic energy in rotation motion. So now I am going to add both the equation. See, when we are adding both the equation, we will get as the kinetic total energy. So total kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy of translation motion, which one we are going to get it of mv square. Kinetic energy of rotation motion of, it is I omega square. I is the inertia. Inertia is equal to mass into radius of gyration square. So instead of inertia, you can substitute mk square. K is called gyration. Omega. So in a circular motion, theta is the arc length. Theta is the angle. S is arc length. A to B length, we can take it as arc length. R is the radius. So theta is equal to S by R. So arc length by radius is equal to the angle of rotation. So S is equal to the same equation, S is equal to theta R. So S is equal to theta times of R. So differentiating this equation with respect to the time, so ds by dt, d theta by dt into radius. So just differentiation I am doing with respect to the time. When we are doing differentiation, displacement by time, we can take it as a velocity. Angular displacement by time, we can take it as an angular velocity. So same thing, same equation, it is displacement by time, we can take it as a velocity. Angular displacement, we can take it as angular velocity, we can take it as a omega, and radius. Omega is equal to v divided by r, because I am taken r here. Okay, so I got what is omega and also what is the inertia. So I got what is the inertia. Inertia is equal to mk square. So which one we are going to take it as a equation 2. This one we are going to take it as equation 3. This one I am going to take it as a equation 1. 2 and 3 I am going to substitute in 1. So 1 inertia is going to be mk square. Omega is going to be v divided by r. This is a radius. This is called radius of gyration. Radius of gyration is the average radius. Radius is going to be the radius of the disc or sphere or cylinder, anything. Okay. Now the total kinetic energy is equal to of mv square plus of I omega square. I we know mk square. Omega we know v divided by r. So we'll get as a v divided by r. We'll take it as a capital R or small r. It's going to be whole square. So we'll get of v square plus of m. So this v square I am taken here because I am going to take it common. So remaining thing, it's k square divided by r square, because it's whole square will get as k square divided by r square will get. So for both the equation, of mv square is equal. You can take it common outside. So of mv square I am going to take it common outside. So the total kinetic energy of total rolling object is going to be of mv square. Here and here I am taken of mv square. That means when I am taken off mv square, inside will be 1, because I am taken this as outside. So here also of mv square I am taken outside, here also of mv square I am taken outside. So 1 plus k square divided by r square. So we got total energy of the rolling object, it is of mv square, it is k square divided by r square, the same equation I am writing, it is by plus 1. So this is a final equation for the rolling object, what is the total kinetic energy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.